Watching everyone around you become parents while you're still waiting for your turn can be painful. You've tried the medicines, consulted the doctors, followed the advice, and still you're waiting for that positive pregnancy test. And you start wondering, will it ever happen for us? If you've been trying to conceive and feel like you've tried everything, take the next step with personalized guidance. Book a consultation with Dr. Arpita Sarma and the Jingiehnoh IVF team to understand what your next step could look like.
Haga arpso terik unailar arhajar arpun rio u Dr. Bah WR Kharlukhi ulapa akishiti ino akam jung show President ke NPP Meghalaya State Unit ubak Presiden Tunsong. Ban ino ek jinglong dekot jung nakani kaseng. Ulapan pau ek jing sngongo ek inong yalam bat kinong ket kam jong kani kaseng. Habakran halor kaniu Menteri Rangba badu National President jong kaseng NPP Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulap pediang kani kejing ino akam jung Dr. WR Kharlukhi. Bat penpau bagani kedegarai bag kejing jit jung Umar Shimet. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulapan kan mau bu Dr. WR Kharlukhi ule trelang bat ukpa jung belaklan UPA Sangma. Bat upan pau ya kejing sosi kebakrau halor kani kejing mino namar uklem dak mi lenti bakan jakum ni. Ndrei ula kedau bahaga kamsan pertai kinong yalam kilaban wan batlet. Ndrei keseng NPP ha Meghalaya kan yat becaprang haba kibatamai kinang wan berpeneso. Usembut Menteri Rangba agajela uba Sniawbha langdar ulapan pa wigijing sokya halor karai ban ieno kam dau Dr. WR Kharlukhi. Ndrei ula kedau bakania kala abandai bula ku aban chong thatno namar gijing Rangba ro kerta jung. Ulapan pau bagani kedai kejing dok kebakrau jong keseng men ieno kam uwei ni kinong yalam balarim. Bar ula kedau ro bagani kejing mi jong Dr. WR Kharlukhi kan pentut keseng NPP. Da kebakdau balada uwei nong yalam umi kindan pat dagi spangot kibanwan rung syakaseng.
Ngalak na banong kedai ke personal kejing skong ko jungu. Tanong no ula resign na ke parti. Yok baplia lah. Kam hek kerta ula kwa bansong thai ro amtip. Lani yok na ke wegi tension ro amtip. Ande ba ha ni kum ke parti ni du yorong ba resign temo. Ngarung ai kublai nama boni ki beta baplia ya rap ke parti ki paula dep. Tabar ke politik kalau gumni. People come and go, party remain the same. Maka persangka nama suti beni itu presiden bawa resign dengan pada kedua tu. Political parties like this, some come, some goes. That is come and goes is always there. And ke party can remain the same, and the president, the secretary keep coming and goes. That's not an issue. Dan kumroma bapli ni, ni orang kum party ni di sana yo ada kebaong temu. Nak kuat bandon, dia kata apa dia upila. Kuat bancong thai ni kan urum tiu nak kampan di keduk tiu tiu bere handai ba. Ni ai ku boleh uruk nama labon ni kambo pula dari parti lah selain itu. Dia kata apa jumon jong tu ni lai bandon.
Makanya kan ketanam ya seperti kan kejingin ojong.
Kan kita tengah anggap kita ada nama ba. Yo Mih Uwei yo Rung bangun. Kata kadang bonsin kajaya pa politics. Kamu tak ada mah. Hanya kumu perlok ni doi. Kumu perlok, kumu senior parti man ni don ngejing doa ke mesin. Ada yang kata apa ke banong banyak kita tu. Yo Mih Uwei yo Rung bangun tu. Yo don bami sumi te keduk ba mah. Hanya ke parti bami don hanya kan kumu belum mentah ni terai. Dan ngilip ni baru mulai parti dek hajangut man kasih. Ni mau dia kata, jadi saudok ko muru ko perlu baju itu saudok dia kata nak.
Tikandan nak gejing persiang ban kran bati ban yakran ba indang ne biang ko ka NPP.
Tahu ke tu dah terai presiden state presiden kila. Like belum kam kat kepada mana lagi.
Really, in the sense that people will come and people will go. It's okay. I mean, on a personal note, I am of course very sad that this has happened. I didn't expect this to happen, but I respect it and I accept it. But we will move on, and the party will continue to work. We have a lot of work to be done, and a lot of people have joined the party, and I think that's the nature of politics and party politics.
Can you try to reach out to Dr. Kharlukhi to reconsider his
We will see. We'll discuss with the party leaders, and then we will take a call.